Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a powerful topic that affects everything: your energy, fat burning, mood, and even longevity. Your metabolism. So if you've ever felt tired, gained weight easily, or struggled to stay active, your metabolism might be slowing down. But here's the good news. You can reset and improve your metabolism naturally with the right foods, supplements, and habits, all backed by real science. Stay with me till the end, because each tip here can literally change how your body produces and uses energy every day. 1. What is metabolism? Metabolism is your body's internal engine, the process that converts food into energy. A fast metabolism burns calories efficiently, while a slow one stores fat and causes fatigue. Factors like age, sleep, diet, stress, and muscle mass directly affect how your metabolism functions. So, instead of blaming bad genes, let's fix it through science-based habits. 2. Top science-backed foods that boost metabolism. Let's start with what you eat, because your food choices can either slow your metabolism or turn it into a fat-burning machine. 1. Protein-rich foods: eggs, chicken breast, fish, Greek yogurt, lentils, and tofu. Protein increases your thermic effect of food, meaning your body burns more calories while digesting it. Aim for 25 to 30% of your daily calories from protein. 2. Spicy foods: chili, cayenne, ginger. Capsaicin, found in chili peppers, temporarily boosts metabolism and fat oxidation. Even small amounts daily can make a measurable difference. 3. Green tea and matcha. They contain catechins and caffeine, proven to increase fat burning and improve metabolic rate by 4 to 5%. Drink 2 to 3 cups per day, ideally before exercise or midday. 4. Healthy fats: avocado, olive oil, nuts, seeds. These support hormone balance, especially thyroid and insulin, which directly regulate metabolism. 5. Fatty fish: salmon, mackerel, sardines. Loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which improve cell efficiency and reduce inflammation, a major cause of metabolic slowdown. 6. Apple cider vinegar, ACV. Studies show that 1 tablespoon of ACV before meals helps control blood sugar and slightly boosts metabolism. 7. Cold water and hydration. Drinking cold water increases calorie burn slightly and helps detoxify the liver, your body's metabolic hub. Best supplements for a faster metabolism. Supplements can't replace a healthy diet, but they can fill the gaps and support energy production. 1. L-carnitine transports fat into cells to be used as fuel, improves exercise performance and fat metabolism. 2. CoQ10, a mitochondrial energizer, helps your body convert food into usable energy more efficiently. 3. B-complex vitamins, especially B6 and B12. Essential for converting carbs, fats, and proteins into energy. Low B vitamin levels equals slow metabolism and fatigue. 4. Magnesium supports over 300 enzyme reactions, including those involved in ATP energy production. 5. Green tea extract or EGCG supplements. If you don't drink tea regularly, these provide concentrated metabolism-boosting antioxidants. 6. Berberine regulates blood sugar and insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your metabolism to stay active. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any supplement routine. 4. Daily habits that naturally boost metabolism. Food and supplements work best when combined with smart habits. Here are the most effective science-supported ones. 1. Build muscle. Muscle burns calories even at rest. Add strength training or resistance workouts 3 to 4 times a week. 2. Stay active. All day, walk after meals, take stairs, stretch every hour. Small movements keep metabolism elevated throughout the day. 3. Prioritize deep sleep. Lack of sleep lowers leptin and raises cortisol. Both slow metabolism and trigger fat storage. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. 4. Reduce stress. Chronic stress raises cortisol, which slows metabolism and causes cravings. Practice meditation, deep breathing, or short outdoor walks. 5. Eat regularly. Don't skip meals. Extreme fasting or skipping meals can lower your resting metabolic rate. Instead, eat balanced meals every 4 to 5 hours. 6. Stay hydrated. Even mild dehydration can drop your metabolism by up to 3%. Drink at least 2 to 3 liters daily. 5. Final takeaway. Improving metabolism isn't about magic pills or crash diets. It's about consistent, smart daily choices. Eat protein-rich, nutrient-dense foods. Support with proven supplements. Move your body and sleep deeply. Do this daily and your energy, focus, and fat-burning potential will skyrocket naturally. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more science-based health content, and share it with someone who's ready to reset their metabolism.